Hi, today is Wednesday, August 25th, and I'm going to be talking to you about what you're going to be doing in spelling for this day, Wednesdays. So on Wednesdays, you do the last 2 pages of your lesson. So list 1, you should have already completed pages 2 and 3. And now you are to the second set of pages, pages 4 and 5 in your spelling book. So this part, pages 4 and 5, let's look at that so I can tell you a few helpful hints to make you successful on this assignment. So you have on page 4 a word study. So the top section, you're writing a spelling word to match a picture. Part 2, you're writing a missing word. Be careful on writing the missing word on numbers 1 through 5 because all of these should start with a capital letter because they start the sentence. The word bank shows them with a capital letter, and whenever you have a word bank, the words have to be spelled exactly as displayed in the bank or they are marked wrong. So make sure you capitalize 1 through 5. On page 5, this whole page has to do with alphabetical order, which is going to help you with dictionary skills. So the order of the letters of the alphabet are called alphabetical order. Notice that the letter that comes before and after each letter. For example, look in the middle of the alphabet and you see the letter L. What letter comes before the letter L? K does. So you would look for the one that's after, and that would be M to the right. So the top section is writing the letter that comes before and write the letter that comes after. So let's do one together. Do you see K? The letter K. Point to it. You are going to write the letter that comes before the letter K. The letter that comes before the letter K is J. So you are going to write J in that blank. So it says J, K. Now let's go to the right side of the page in the same section. Point to the letter I. Now I has a blank after it. So what is the letter that comes after the letter I? That's right, the letter J. So write the letter J next to the letter I. So it should say I, J. Okay, you'll complete the rest of the section just like that. Now for the bottom section. Write the letters that come before and after each letter. So what they are doing on this section is combining the before and the after for each letter. Above it, you just had to do left side before, right side after. So now you have to write the letters that come before and after each letter. So you have H. Point to the letter H. Now write the letter that comes before and after the letter H. You should have written in the blank G, because that letter becomes before H, and then the letter I, because that letter comes after H in the alphabet. There is an alphabet at the top of the page, kind of below the dog, that Dalmatian dog that you see the alphabet, that will help you if you need to, since you don't have the alphabet on your name badge in your classroom because you're not in your classroom or up on the wall. So use that to help you out. So today's spelling, I'm going to review. You are going to complete all of page 4 and all of page 5. That will complete all of the workbook pages for this week. So on Wednesdays, you do the last 2 pages of the list. On Monday, which was 2 days ago, Monday, you did the first 2 pages. So that is how we do it in second grade. Mondays, the first 2 pages. Wednesday, the second 2 pages or the last 2 pages.